my childhood games.
Ha?
So this is the game that I play like when I was starting my Roblox. So I played this game
Bakit ka matawag si Tita ni?
when I was 6.
Sino yan? Kasmate.
So let's
Nabasa
test
na
it.
yung chat ko doon sa ano. Basa, BBI.
Oh, blue. Seven.
Smith ko nga.
It's cool. Okay, go down into this. Nope, I'm going to
Wala pa
steal
sa si
it.
teacher.
Yeah.
Si teacher talaga nasa galaan, hindi kayo eh.
Alam ko ba, di pa lang tao eh? Ay, baka ano din yan ng school, hindi pwedeng baka ano din ng may-ari niya.
Oo nga. Niloko lang ata. Tanong si mama. Patula ka.
Pwede ba?
Ha?
Sa hapon, wala ka bilang ulam kasi. Sa hapon, walang tinta kung
Okay mo.
Little baby man.
sinigang na baka yan.
Ang susunod naman ng nanay ko.
Walang tindang mga bago. Baka.
Go,
May papalit sa 500.
Yeah.
Mario ulit. Kita mo, hindi po makapat sa mundo. Patapos kami ang table.
So, wala ka na utang. Sa bahay, ano ka na, updated ka na.
Why are you going
Ah.
to the gym or
Sa bahay, updated ka na.
error? I'm faster than you.
Kaya nga, updated ka
Error.
na. Wala ka na utang.
Pandemic, kinukutang natin.
Kaya nga, nabayaran nyo na.
Hindi po, yun lang.
I'm going to expose one of my oldest videos again. Oldest videos again. It was called Zombie Outbreak.
Akala ko yun ang binabayaran yung ano.
Mula nung
I don't know.
nagawa si Kuya Kaba.
Zombie Attacker was my second
Okay, hindi.
oldest one
Hindi
that
yun
I
na hinahabol.
played.
Ha?
Yun yung lang hinahabol.
Hindi, basta
But the childhood memories I still did.
ang gusto buuin yung utang na
Ano na?
buuin yung bayad ng
Utang?
mula ng pandemic.
Oh.
I just gave me a 140 seat. Oh, I'm awfully tilted. Now I'm skiing my face over the floor. Kissing this. I just saw me sending just in 2 seconds. Blah. Come on, me.
Kumuha sa ganda ng ganun kalaki. Ano ka, ano na iuwi ni Papa mo? Ang laki ng tutumarin ni Papa.
Ba't magkano yung talaga doon?
I'm going to expose one more game that I have been playing like over like 2 years. Oh, what? Okay. The ending of this video is insane. I was at like level 206.
Ano?
206. That was the thing that was in. And I'm pressing the keyboard. Okay.
Nagbibidro pa pala para magbayad ng unikal sa Friday.
Final water slide ever. Wow, I won. Wait. I'm gonna do this without tears. Boop. Oh, that was me. You pushed me. Okay, I guess I got the kick down. And now I'm skiing my face. That's what I do when when the second eliminated Alfie was in there. I'm surprisingly there's only 2 houses that has a wash slide. If you want to explore some of my old games that I first posted in YouTube. And the seatbelts. So good and so bad in the back.
Kain ka, subukan ko.
Yeah. Kind of spoil it.
Wow!
My gums are
Kasi ang office may ko 15K.
My gums are indestructible.
Mababalik naman yan. Pag marami yan, ang against yan.
Ba't sa'yo mo kami?
Okay, and guess I'm gonna sit.
Ba't sa'yo kami?
Tapos iniisip ko, saan ba ako kung gumakas ng 700 plus? Sinerge ko, parang saan ba to? Tapos ninasper ko na siya ulit sa isang sa savings ko.
Okay, time to explore.
API?
One of my second oldest games I
Babalik naman yan.
played, which is called Zombie Tag. I don't know if this game is still open. I'm gonna test it out. So, it was called. It was called. Zombie Tag, that's what it is. I thought I was about to put. That's the old version of it, and this is the newest version of it. And Christmas is still on in this game. Christmas. I'm gonna take a point. Okay, easy.
Kumana ka na?
Hello.
Saan ka pumasok ko? Ha?
Mimi.
Tama, pumasok ka? Ano pa?
More. Let me check them. Okay, more blocks. Oh, some people are now dead again. Whatever, I'm gonna spectate. Okay, I will definitely revive. That way. Another sticky zombie. Oh. Oh, never mind. Okay, I need to do a backup. I don't know why they're thinking art. Angel! Oh, these things sound like me. Oh, never mind, because they're king. Help, I'm being zoomed in. I am the only one who's getting targeted. And I'm also dead. Great.
Natapon na ba to? Lalagay ko yung basura. Ito. Natapon na rin. Hindi mo naliligan.
Boost and commit! I think my aiming is now better. I think my aiming skills are now pretty grooving off. What's doing? You just actually got in my way. Alignment shift lock. I'm gonna knock down. It's time to shoot him.